not coming back. You know, we're not going to get back together. It's just not going to happen.
So what did you do?
At that point, one of our friends I started talking to, basically a shoulder to cry on. She was there, building up the confidence, making me feel better about myself. I was okay, she treated me bad, stuff like that. Basically making me feel better.
And then she took her clothes off.
A little bit slower than that, but yes, it ended up that way. Basically, the way I seen it was almost a confidence boost, a second opinion about maybe how that wasn't bad.
Actually good for the confidence.
Right. That's really all it was a confidence boost there, a second opinion. If someone tells you you're bad and sad, it's definitely trust. And, well, after me and her,
I could brag and I wouldn't know. No, go ahead.
And after a while, me and her were talking, sleeping together. I figured, okay, it's probably proper I should let, tender my wife, know that I'm giving another chick a chance. And at that point, she got really upset.
So now all of a sudden, because she knew you were with another woman, she suddenly wants you back.
Right.
Okay. So what happened?
Basically, at that point,